Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have two different cases for iPhone, and in this video I'll be unboxing the first one in this video, and probably the next one I'll be doing it in the next video. So here I'll be showing you the latest case from Spigen, and this is for the iPhone 12 mini. It's not mentioned as 12 mini, it's iPhone 5.4 inches 2020, which is the all new iPhone, which is a small little iPhone 12 mini which I have here. And in this video I'll be doing the complete unboxing of this smartphone. As you can see, it says important, remove A and B protection films and start using it. If I talk about the pricing and everything, it's listed at MRP of 2599 rupees. Country of origin is South Korea. Yes, that's interesting. So it's not made in China. And let's quickly open this up. Again, there's more details here at the bottom, which is that it has a model number and it's made in South Korea. This is a crystal case clear, basically a clear case, which means that you can at least retain the design of this smartphone, and you can showcase the design of this smartphone while using it. So this is what we get. Let me just quickly open this up. And here we go. These are this is probably an advertisement from Spigen, and this is the case. First thing, this is a TPU case, so basically you could just move around, and the sides are pretty good enough, I would say. Like, it's pretty hard enough. Like, on the branding part, yes, there's a branding. I mean, there's a logo here which is mentioned as Spigen on one side. On the other side, it's mentioned as Spigen made in South Korea, and other stuff is mentioned here. And we do have a protection here on the back, which is something which we need to remove. Let me just quickly place my phone here and take a look. I have again resetted my phone just for your reference. So here we go. This is how the phone looks like. Not bad. Again, you can retain the style. I mean, anyone can take a look at your phone's design. In case if you are looking, if you want to flaunt your design, then this is something which can be a good option. But apart from that, I mean, the buttons are a little tough to press, honestly speaking. Maybe by time this should get better, but this is how the experience is on the buttons part. Let me just also take a look at the volume rockers, and they are decent enough. I wouldn't say they are great. The alert slider, or you can say the on off mute switch, is directly accessible, so there's no safety for that button, which is something not really cool, I would say. And in terms of everything else, does look good. And one more thing which I was interested to take a look was the camera bump. Like, is it able to hide the camera bump? And yes, it has completely hidden the camera bump, so in case you place the phone on the table, there won't be any damage to the camera area. So that's one good thing. So if you're looking for a clear case, this is one product which you can take a look at, and something which probably you can rely, because this does look like a very stiff, good, hard case. And though it's a TPU case, but then probably would last for a long time, like a case which I have been using on my iPhone 11 Pro Max from more than a year. This was from a brand called Unique, and honestly, I have dropped this probably for 100 times, and still the phone has not got any kind of issues. So clear case with a complete clear design, and that's the unboxing of the Spigen's crystal clear case for the iPhone 12 mini. That's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget the thumbs up button and share, subscribe to Fonda for more videos like these. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye. In the next video, again, I'll be doing the unboxing of Caseology. You can check out the link in description.